grandma Mahanes Road. In grandmama El Granmaja. En Granmaja. Anong en Granmaja? Mamaya.
Maluwas kita dyan?
Dun.
Huli ko sa ronda din.
Holy Week. Kala. Kasi nalang to. Diba? What is that? The clouds looks like what do you guys think? The clouds. Nothing. It looks like a zombie, a monster in Minecraft. No. I'm not talking to you. Ayaw ko ng lasa kulay na pink. Ayos naman ang lasa kulay na pink.
Turn left on 66th National Highway.
Wait. Hey!
Yung sa bag mo.
Hey! May! Mahulog ako.
Nasa ina to?
Daka isubaw.
Luwas mo? Makunting lagi sa tukawan. Ang tigro luwas mo sa sasakyan. Yung dili ni Sayos, mga ano. Sure ah?
Guys, what do you think? What it stays of?
Na si Alingawan. Luwas mo eh.
It tastes like, I don't know, but peach. Right, guys?
Yawan ko sa bag mo nga ni. Ang shoulder bag.
I just tasted in the morning. Wait. Matapon.
Bayad na? Dan sinublihan sa to?
Bye, guys! Oh, maybe later. Look at the moon. Let's continue our trip, guys. Bakit tayo bumalik sa Rainbow? What are you doing? Sige po. Wait, let me skip this. So guys, that was just like 5 minutes. That's like 5 minutes, right guys? Now we go. We're gonna go. We're on Laguna right now, but we're gonna go on Pili again. Or maybe not Baguio. No! Oh, but guys, comment that where you live.
Itry mo daw.
Country or place in Philippines. Or like USA, Japan.
In 700 meters. At the roundabout, take the 5th exit on
Roundabout.
Road.
Beep. Hey, why are you copying me? I'm done.
Pero ang forest person.
Ayokong lasa situ kulay na red. Ayos naman ang situ kulay na pink. Pag tinikman kong kulay dilaw. Oh, but guys, maybe I have chocolate. Chocolate. Mommy. Wait. No. Wait, guys. Wait, guys. Hold on. My mom just opened the chocolate. But wait. I'm gonna open a chocolate. Wow. Comment Toblerone if you tried it. There we go. Comment chocolate if you love chocolate. I love chocolate. Whoa. Wow. So guys, look. Wait. Can you see it? Yummy.
Balik na kita dito. Balik kita sa rice.
It's so yummy. Right, guys. Do you wanna try science?
Ilaan mo ano,
Okay.
local.
I thought it's 8. I got vanilla. It's so yummy, right, guys? No. Ouch. My hand hurts. Because of my cell phone. I'm recording right now. I'm using my hand to get the cell phone, and I'm using my other hand to eat the chocolate. Finally. It's so yummy, right, guys? Oh, but guys, comment what color. Comment what color the picture that It's solar. It needs light, but maybe not light. The sun, not the light. Ouch. Ah, This traffic. Bye guys.